Stop wrapping your ribs in foil. You're steaming the bark right off. Foil turns the crust to mush, so I don't wrap, I mop, and I finish with a Calabrian glaze that bites back. Baby backs today. More meat on the bone, but leaner, so they need care. First, the pleura, that silver membrane on the back. It blocks smoke and it's tough on the bite. Lift a corner, pull it clean, then trim the excess fat. Neat rack, even cook. Now the rub, SPG first for the base. Then a paprika ribs rub for color and depth. No mustard, no oil, no binder. Press harder and it grips. Clean. My balcony, my regal. Rest 20 minutes. Meanwhile, the mop. Vegetable stock. It's what I had. White wine, green apple wedges, SPG rub, a knob of butter. Then the rig. Same balcony. Indirect heat. 120 Celsius. Apple pellets. They bring sweetness and a deeper red. Missed my spatchcock chicken? Cards up top. New balcony cook every week. Subscribe. 20 minutes later. Look, the rub pulled water out of the meat. That's normal. Pat it completely dry again. Then a second coat of ribs rub. Same paprika base. Press it in. Now the probe. Thickest part of the meat. Dead center. Never kiss the bone. The bone runs hotter and lies about the temp. Rack on the grates. Bone side down. Mop pot right beside it. Lid closed. Target 94 Celsius. My number. Slicable ribs. Clean bite. Not pulled. Twenty, 30 minutes in. The crust starts to set. First mop. Then again every 20 minutes. Until 60, 70 Celsius. Around 60 the temp stalls. It just stops. The rack is sweating. Cooling itself. No panic. No foil. The bark sets hard. While they're cooking, here's the Calabrian part. In a pot. Barbecue sauce, apple cider vinegar, honey, and nduja. A spreadable, spicy, deep red sauce. Stir until it dissolves into a glossy, sweet and sour spicy sauce. That's the special touch. 80 Celsius. Past the stall. Time to glaze. One clean coat. Wait for the last 10 minutes. I want stronger agrodolce, so 3-4 coats. First thin, let it set. Second grabs. Third builds the lacquer. Fourth only if it still looks dry. Any earlier and the sugar burns bitter. Light brush, edge to edge, gloss in layers, not one dump. 94 Celsius. Target hit. My number. Sliceable, not pulled. Lift the rack. Watch the bow. If it bends and the bark cracks along the top, they're done. Lacquer set. Ready for the rest. Rest. 5 to 10 minutes. Let the juices settle. Let the glaze lock. Slice between the bones. Look at that bark. No binder. Same dark crust. Same grip. Team mustard. Still using it? Tell me why in the comments. First bite, sweet up front. Then the nduja heat rolls in slow. Glossy. Sharp. Balanced. Una tira l'altra. Simply spaziale.